everyone, this is David, a specialist of GRP panel tank. Today we will look at Malaysian product, comparing Malaysian and Korea and Malaysia. Malaysia served as a production base through a joint venture with a Japanese company for a while. Since then, the Japanese company has redrawn its business and has seen carrying out its own brand under Malaysia. Malaysia is South Korea's biggest competitor and is doing very big competition with the water tanks in the Middle East market. In Malaysia, some brands are influenced by Japanese brands with high specifications, while local brands have low specifications together. They import raw material from China and Korea to make panels. The reinforcement system was influenced by Japan and United Kingdom. The panel flange is 90 degrees and tie rod is passed through the panel like Japanese style and finished outside. We will see the following photos. Okay, this is a project in Dubai, Middle East. So size is 6 by something like 10 meters and 4 meters high. They are all 1 by 1. If you see some more details, there are 2 tie rods, finishings like that outside. This is tie rod. And there are 4 tie rods for the first here. Because this is 4 meter high, so this is 4 plus 2 plus 2. At the bottom also 2 tie rods. Normally the water pressure is biggest here, this point. So they put more tie rod and less. So if you see the brackets outside the tie rod, there's another additional bracket. To reinforce between number 1 brackets and panel number 2 down. This is M10. Oh, sorry. This is not M10, this is 8 something. Very thin, that's why they put more tie rod inside. Number of boards is 8. I think the HDG coating is 2230 micron. That's why this quality is a little bit less than, not like Japan and UK. think this is more than 10 years. It's around 10 years old water tank. This is the insulated panel. You see this cover broken and some leakages, water. Because of this tie rod, it's keep moving because of the water pressure. This is the lower part. There are two tie rods. The condition of this HDG flange bars. It's not good, it has to be replaced. This is panel shape they have with the insulation panel. This is an external leather. And this is a welding type. You see this. This is just a lead bar welding, very simple. Vertically, they used a flange bar like that. This one, this one. Korean standard is for 4 meter. This one. We use double flange, double L-shaped flange. This is a 13, this is 20. But they used only one single with a flat bar. This is the Korean style. There's another project with a British type with square steel bar. If you see this is installed in also Philippines. This is a 3.5 meters high. They used H-beam beam and double bracket single double. But if you see this square type steel bar, there's no flange bar. Instead of flange bar, no flange bar. if you see in detail, this is tie rod. I'm not sure whether this is tie rod or just bracket is inside like that. I could not able to see inside of water tank that time. But this is also steel bar. And there's no flat bar to reinforce the bottom line. This is at the corner. And also there's no flat bar also on the panel to reinforce here and here. If you see next, this is some brand. This is a tube steel bar, no flange bar. It was very simple. I think the installation is more easier than Korean style because there is no tie rod bracket inside, and finishing with this steel bar. Something like that. But I don't understand why they didn't put big single bracket. They separated. They used the two brackets, small brackets. For actually this is for the double tie rod, not for tie rod. Should be like that. Finishing. This one, maybe you may remember, this is like Japanese style. Roof. And this one, water level indicator. Cat and mouse. Cat and mouse type. And this is manhole. But this is not hot pressed. I think it was, as I remember, this is handmade or cold press. The inside of the manhole cover, the quality was like that, not hot press. Okay, today we have reviewed and compared with Malaysian product comparing with Korean product, and there are some similar things, but there are also many different types to reinforce the panel and water tank. And I hope you enjoyed and it could help your knowledge for water tank. Thank you for your watching, and if you like any if you have any inquiries, please send me email, and if you like my channel, put like and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.